Amy Sindicic here. Welcome to Idiom of the Day. Today's idiom is to cut corners. To cut corners is to find ways to cut costs, usually by reducing quality. Let me give you some examples of how it's used. If we cut corners, we risk loss of reputation and consequently loss of market share. College students often have to cut corners to make ends meet. To make ends meet is to meet their basic living costs and/or to pay their bills. Today's idiom is to cut corners, to find ways to cut costs, usually by reducing quality. Today's idiom is taken from 505 Business Idioms and Phrasal Verbs by Clare Whitmell. The link to Amazon is provided. Please visit me at businessenglish123.com.